Hi guys, it's Jessica from Mama in a Stitch, and today I thought I'd show you how I made this really easy ear warmer for my daughter. I love it because it has bobbles, which are really playful for kids, and I mean you could make it for yourself too. I think it's super cute and it works up really quickly, so think stocking stuffers or just something extra to throw in a birthday present. So you're going to grab a size H crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. I'm using Lion Brand's Vanna's Choice in pink, and you'll start by chaining 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for row 1, you'll just simply single crochet across the row. Just work all the way across with single crochet stitches. And row 2 will be our bobble row, which you will then repeat that row throughout the pattern. So we're almost there. Oops. Okay, row 1 is done. And I am going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn. We're going to make our first bobble stitch in the bottom of that chain 3 right here. Okay, so yarn over as if you're going to double crochet, insert your hook, pull through, and then pull through the first 2 only. So now we have 2 stitches on our hook. Do the same thing into that same stitch, pull through 2, so now we have 3 on our hook. Once you have 3 on this first bobble, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. That's the only bobble we will have 3. The rest you will have 4 on your hook. Okay, so next you're just going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then we'll work another bobble. So yarn over like you're going to double crochet, pull through 2. We have 2 on our hook. Do the same thing. Now we have 3. Same thing one more time. Now there's 4, so I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 4. Okay, then you will single crochet 1 and work another bobble. Pull through 2. Pull through 2, we have 3, pull through 2, 4, so yarn over, pull through all 4. Okay, then single crochet 2, which puts us at our last stitch. So yarn over, pull through 2, we're working a bobble, pull through 2, pull through 2, now we have 4, so I'm going to pull through all 4. Okay, and we're working the back side of our bobbles here. You can see they puff out on this side. So then just chain 1, and next you're going to single crochet for 3 rows. So just single crochet across. This would be my first row. Okay, and do that for 3 rows, and then I will be right back. Okay, so we've worked our bobble row and now 3 rows of single crochet, and you're simply going to chain 3 and repeat the stitch pattern that you did for the bobble row. So it's that simple. So you'll work the bobble row, another 3 rows of single crochet, and then another bobble row, and you continue that pattern until your rectangle is about 17 inches long, and at that point these would be your 2 ends. You would fold them over together, get a tapestry needle and a length of yarn, and just sort of whip stitch them together, scrunch it up, tie it closed, and that's all there is to this. So it's super simple. You could do all different colors. You could even wrap this center with yarn. I've seen that done before. It looks really cute. So be creative, and I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.